To finish the job, the team tackles the pins that connect the hydraulic hoist to the dump body. Mechanic Douglas Novice starts the 797B engine. He raises the hydraulic cylinders, lining up the pinholes with the bottom of the dump box. He's going for a tight, secure fit. The same procedure repeats on the other side of the truck and the front pedestals. Nelson positions the pin into place. Time to drive it home. Finally, Nelson flexes the monster machine's muscles, raising the truck bed. This Whopper dump truck now has the ultimate part, assembled perfectly. It's taken 6 factories, over 600 tons of material, multiple teams in about 80 days. At long last, this colossus has come together. Armed and ready to do battle on this mega mine site.